Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can use built-in Copilot AI Assistant in Windows 11. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So in today's topic, you will learn how you can use amazing built-in AI feature in Windows 11. So this is a Copilot Assistant. If you could not find here in taskbar, you can go to taskbar settings. This is a Copilot. This will hide and this will unhide. So this is by default Copilot AI Assistant. You can open it with shortcut Window plus C. This one. So this is a Copilot Windows 11 AI Assistant here with Bing Chat, enable with Bing Chat feature, and you can also attach with Edge browser so that it will learn, it will get cookies from that browser. You can turn it on. So here you can ask anything, or you can speak hello there. So obviously this will answer you. This is unlimited version, free of cost. How is weather today in California? So searching here for weather. All information about weather and the source. These are the sources. So this is a weather and you can ask anything on any topic. Moreover, you can get image results and you can get help from images. Like I can add an image. This is sample image. Upload it. You can type anything, like you can remove background, you can copy these images. I will find similar images. So this is a wolf analyzing the image. Now searching for similar images. All information about wolf, about this image. Finding here, you can stop anytime and ask anything else. As you are observing, it's very fast, efficient and accurate as compared to other pirated AI assistants. So these are the sources here. You can like, dislike, you can copy the content. So all these are similar images like this one. Now if you want to clear all the queries, you can go there. Now clear, you can ask anything else, like take a screenshot and anything else. Thanks guys for watching and learning. In this way you can use Copilot AI Assistant.